Hello friends, welcome back to another session of my financial predictions. Today is the 23rd of June. We see basically a very powerful green day for all markets, not just Tesla. We'll cover very soon the SP 500 chart, but also on Bitcoin, also on many other cryptocurrencies. I believe today was a positive day overall. We also saw the news that there's peace again, or there's like a ceasefire in that region. So basically a positive day overall, very positive, especially after many troublesome news. So you'll see right now with my work that my charts show the 23 today as a green day, a potential green day. Many weeks ago I told you I always publish these charts in the first days of each month, and not a single circle has been or is ever modified. Everything remains the same as I publish it. And you can see right now Tesla had a green circle for the 23-24. So we got a very volatile 23. Basically from the start we got to the highest position, around 8% in a single day for Tesla. This is amazing. This is possibly one of the most volatile days in the entire month of June. Okay, there's a couple others that could be more volatile, but yeah, this is an impressive pump. It could actually be the second most volatile pump if we try to measure this other one right here, which is around 8%. So very much the same, very similar, and we can see a potential for another volatile day tomorrow. Okay. In my opinion, for Tesla at the very least, I believe it's very rare to see two consecutive volatile days, so maybe tomorrow could be actually kinda in range. We'll have to see about that, but around the 25-26, I believe there will come around another powerful correction, and the 26 has also a very powerful signal for volatility. Okay, so maybe it's very likely that this week that is going to basically be technically the last week of June. The last day will come until the other week, but you can see that there's a possibility of seeing some more volatility in this week alone. So maybe June still has some surprises left for us. Maybe June will still provide many plentiful opportunities for and decent trading. So that's basically the outlook for this week, for the coming days. Again, remember volatility maybe tomorrow. I'm thinking it's going to be more in range. One of these days in the massive yellow circle, remember guys, yellow always means either range or volatility. So we're going to see some range eventually. Some of these days will be chill, but there's the potential of more volatility still. So be prepared for that, and let's just check the SP 500 chart. So again, this is the combined metric index used to measure the health of the economy, and we can see also a very nice and powerful pump today. Okay, for the SP 500 this might not seem as much, but to see almost 1% in a single day, it's also very impressive. Okay, now look at this. There was a single day box right here for the 23, which is today, in yellow. Always yellow. When you see a yellow box, unlike the green and red boxes, which are very easy to understand, it's just intuitive. When you see a yellow box, that means it will be very volatile, but it will be kinda undecided. Okay, it will be because yellow is technically the mix of green and red energies. That's something that we can see in some of these days, and that's exactly what we saw today. For example, you see that the price begins right here, tries to basically goes to 60%, 0.60%, something like that, then comes crashing back down again to the basically the very same position, very similar, slightly lower maybe, and only to rebound yet again. And this one is the actual rebound that consolidates this day as a green day. as a positive day for the markets. And just to show you basically how accurate my work is, just to see, I mean, some people might believe this is completely edited or that I'm just lucky in just stocks. You can see, for example, the 23, you can see on cryptocurrencies. Again, I'm just going to show you very, very quickly, okay? Look at this, the 23, very positive green days. Okay, look at this. And this is what I'm also doing on the crypto channel. So if you want to see that information, go to my other channel. I have a specific channel for cryptocurrencies. Many people think that I'm covering all finances in one channel. That's not the case. I split the two. So remember to always follow my work. Remember to follow me on my social medias, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Before I leave, just want to thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. All of that helps. Very much appreciated, guys. So have a nice day and take care.